You better watch out, you better not cry. This month we're summoning the holiday spirits from extra twisted candy canes to undead reindeer to slay. Our Merry Fright Mani by Me box is just for those who made it to our naughty list. So you're going to get your 2 new plates. If you're not super Christmassy and you love Halloween, or you're kind of feeling Halloween and Christmas, these plates will be your best friend. And 2 early access polishes. The polishes for this month are Hail Santa, a very dark red, and Holly Hell. This is definitely more like a shimmery metallic green. And this is your surprise gift for this month, and it is one of our premium nail art tools, creating like circular ombres or gradients. If you liked everything you saw in this box, check out www.manixme.com.